Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change your location in the Field app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your Field app. So once you open your Field app, you will end up in the section where the people will get shown on your home screen for your match. So when you are in this kind of page, you need to simply tap on the profile icon. Once you tap it on, you need to simply scroll down and tap on search settings. After you are here, you need to simply go and tap on my location option. Once you do so, you can change your current location to any other locations you want to set it as, and in this way you can change your location on the Field app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.